Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, Tuna. Where are you going to?
I want to go and play football with my friends.
What?
You want to go and play football with your friends?
Yes.
Come. Come here. I said come here. So you want to leave the house and go and play football with your friends?
Yes.
Oh my God.
There is nothing bad in me playing football with my friends. All my friends are on the field playing football. I want to go and join them.
Will you keep short? Don't you know if you go and play football in the field, you can break your legs? Don't you know somebody can break your legs in the process of playing football? Do you have any money to treat yourself in the hospital? Do you have any money? I'm talking to you. And again, when last did you read your book in this house? When last have you picked up your book to read in this house? Ever since when they have started lockdown, quarantine lockdown, you have not picked your book to read in this house. When last have you done so?
Mommy, I do read my books so.
Shut up your mouth. I have been with you in this house for the past 1 year. You have never taken your books in my front. You have never read your books in my front. Always pressing phone, watching TikToks. So you don't want to be useful in your life. You want to be roaming around the streets. You don't want to read your books. You want to go out and be playing football with people. You want to be a bad boy in your life. Before I close my eyes now, better go and drop that boots and go and carry your books now and read. Go and bring your books from inside. I'm waiting for you now. Go and do so. Children of nowadays. Every time play. They don't want to be useful in their life. They don't want to be useful in their life. We'll just be spending money on education for nothing.
Which kind of mother is this one? Which kind of mother is this one? She will not allow someone to follow his dream. Look at Lionel Messi, Ronaldo. Their parents allow them to follow their dreams. And they are now what they want to become in the future. They are now big now. Every time, read your book, read your book, read your book. I'm tired of reading my books. I don't know. I think I'm going to leave this house.
I am waiting for you. Be fast. Come outside now.
I'm coming.
Don't waste my time. I am waiting for you right now.
You just be disturbing someone. I'm just tired. I'm just tired.
Better come outside fast.
I'm coming.
So which book is this?
Economics textbook.
Give it to me. You understand economics very well.
Yes, I understand economics.
So what is economics?
Chai!
I said what is economics?
Economics is when you economize your food into different portions.
Economics is when you divide your food into portion.
Yes.
Hey! Ẹ má gbà mí o. Hey! God, am I the mother of this child? Am I the mother of this boy?
Child.
Okay, no problem. What is demand and supply?
Demand and supply. It is very simple.
Okay, I'm listening.
Demand is when I demand for my breakfast from you. While supply is when you give me my breakfast.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Tuna, I paid money for you to go to school. And you said demand and supply is breakfast.
Oh my God.
Hey! Hey! I paid money for you to go to school. Okay, no problem. It's me and you in this house. Okay, you know what will happen now? I want you to take this book and read it cover to cover. You read everything in this book. I don't want to hear any story. Make sure you read everything in this book. Take it. When you are done, I will ask you questions from beginning of the book till the end of the book. Do you hear me?
Okay, mommy.
Good. Get out of my sight. I will be in my room resting. I will be back in 2 hours. Make sure you read the book cover to cover. Okay?
Okay, mommy.
Good.
I'm not reading anymore. Which kind of life is this one? They will not even allow someone to follow his dream. I want to go and play football so that I will become Lionel Messi. They don't want to allow me. They want me to be going to school and be reading book. I'm not reading any book again. I will go to that field and go and play ball. I will go and meet my friends. Let me go and check if she's still sleeping. I don't know which kind of mother is this one. She will not allow someone to follow his dreams.
What do you think you are trying to do? Where do you think you are going?
I was trying to keep my shoes outside.
I told you to read your books for just 2 hours. And you dropped the book to go and play football. After I have warned you. You this boy. So you decided to you want to turn your life into a rubbish life. You want to be roaming around the streets. You don't want to have a good job. Don't you know if you don't read your books, you won't pass your exam? And if you don't pass your exam, you won't graduate from school. And if you don't graduate from school, you won't get a job. How do you want to feed your family? So you want to be begging around the streets?
Mommy, please.
You will move out of this house.
Tuna,
Mommy, please.
when I finish with you in this house today, your father will not recognize you again.